Hello viewers, this is Karl Marx once again, and today I'm going to reassemble this bicycle. This bicycle was bought the other day. I bought it the other day, and it's a UK bicycle. And this is the way they normally come from UK. So I'm going to assemble it and give it a good service. Then I will put it for sale. It will be for sale after that. So enjoy watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel to support the channel. If you love bicycles, you will love us, because it means that we share something in common about bicycles. So personally, I love bicycles. That's why I do this work. That's why I record this kind of videos, to inspire people to love bicycles, because bicycles are good. They are good for environment, good for exercise. They are good for so many reasons. So enjoy, watch, and subscribe to the channel, to watch the channel. So this bicycle is size 26. The bicycle is size 26. And this kind of bicycle is meant for ladies. The frame type is meant for ladies, and the color also is meant for ladies. The color pink usually is for ladies. So size 26 is meant for grown-ups, and maybe teenagers can still use the bicycle. So enjoy watching. Our shop is called Karl Marx Bicycle Shop. We are based in Kenya, Nairobi, at a place called Utawala, Benedicta area. So that's where you can find us. In case you need anything to do with bicycle, that's the place you can find us. Nairobi, Kenya, Utawala area. As we do this kind of jobs, we don't claim to be perfect, but we try our best to be perfect. So if you know about bicycles and you have something you can teach us, feel free to always do so. Kelvin, how are you?
Fine.
Well, you are greeting from a distance. Come and greet my viewers. Just come. You're afraid of the camera. You are camera shy.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. See you later. That's Kelvin, my friend. Whoever invented the bicycle invented something very, very unique, something very cool. May God bless that person, man or a woman. You're the reason we do this today. If it wasn't for you, this wouldn't be possible. I don't know if the bicycle was invented before the vehicle, or if the bicycle came after the vehicle. So if you know, please let us know which one came first, the motor vehicle or the bicycle. Personally, I think the bicycle was first. but I might be wrong. Here in Africa, there was a time when if you're riding a bicycle, people thought that you were a poor man, like if you use a bicycle as mode of transport. But nowadays they have stopped that nonsense. Nowadays even the rich people love bicycle. It's not like they used to think like if you're riding a bicycle it means you're poor because you can't afford to drive a car or you can't afford to pay for public transport. So they thought like if you're using a bicycle as a mode of transport it means that you're poor. But that kind of thinking is not there nowadays. The bicycles are very expensive nowadays. Everybody loves them. Everybody uses them. So they are much respected, not like they used to disrespect bicycles. People do not want to sweat, yet they want to get fit. They want to have a nice body, but they do not want to sweat. They want to just drive vehicles all over the place because vehicles doesn't make them sweat. In order to have a perfect body shape, you have to do some exercise. And the best way to do exercise, you have to ride a bicycle. It's better than going to a gym. When you ride a bicycle, it's more fun. You enjoy to meet a lot of people. You see a lot of places. So choose bicycle over a vehicle. It produces no pollution like vehicles do. No pollution, zero pollution. It's good for your health. And they're very easy to maintain. Very easy to maintain a bicycle. I'm probably talking too much. Let me get back to work. Get fit cycling. Saddle is kind of seized. Let me put some lubricant to allow it to come off smoothly. The power of lubricant. It's magical. Thank God bicycle is no longer associated with poor people. When you install the pedals, always remember to put the left pedal on the left side of the crank and put the right pedal on the right side of the crank. Never forget to do that, or you will cross-thread the threads. You will damage the threads of the crank. Usually I'm not that guy that is good at explaining stuff, but I hope you're getting me right. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. I'm not good at explaining things, but I'm trying my best to get you to understand what I'm saying. The more I talk with you, the better I will get. Usually I have the thoughts in my mind very clear, but how to express the thoughts becomes so difficult for me sometimes. How to bring it out so that people may understand sometimes it's a challenge. Sometimes it's a challenge to explain such stuff. I'm not good at that. And that one I can tell you for free, I'm not good at explaining stuff. But for your sake, I'll try. I'll try until I get good at it. So the last thing I do here is I apply the pressure, I put the pressure, then I will be done with this bicycle. Like I said before, the bicycle is meant for sale. This one is not my personal bicycle, it's for sale. So whoever is interested, let me know. When I was young, I used to be that kid that used to be very quiet. I never used to express my thoughts when I was a child. I never used to share. I used to keep a lot to myself. I think that's the reason why maybe I'm not good at explaining things that much. But nowadays, I'm changing. I'm sharing everything that I can share. Because sharing, they say, is caring. I'm sharing my skills. I'm sharing my thoughts. I'm sharing everything that I can share with you. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I'm out. And remember to subscribe to the channel and support the channel. If you love bicycle, you will also love us because we share one thing in common. Which is loving the bicycle. Man, that was easy. Bye for now. I'm out.